We're reviewing today a Trucozie pet air purifier, 55 watt, 110 volt, 3,000 square feet with the 45 dB level of 4-speed fans, low, medium, high, and automatic, and application driven. It is a touch on top with air filter 13 through 17 plus inches at 2 inches in depth. Place it on the wall, around the house, anywhere where you need. What we're going to do is show you the air purifier and what it's about. From the providers, Trucozie is a T555 3,000 foot air purifier for your house. For pets, dander, and more. Removing pet hair, dust, and particles with a HEPA filter. 3 filters in one. What we're going to do is unbox it, show you what you get inside and what it's about in this presentation. Opening up the box, laid on top is all your information and material. Nicely packaged and protected by foam and plastic. Lifting up and out. Simply lift the plastic covering off. With the Trucozie design of paw prints, a cat, it is app driven, and remember to peel all film off. Information is provided on stickers. Unwrap the cord. Measures around 5 feet of cord. Plug into an outlet. On the back of the unit, we have a handle area. Over here, this is the air purifier sensor location. Sliding around to the front, removing the plastic bag before use. Open up the unit by grabbing the sides and pulling towards you and away. We have a nice large filter that measures 13 inches by 17 inches, in depth 2 inches. We have the fan area protected. Please make sure the honeycomb side is facing inward, and we have sensor magnet locations and lighting. As we open and remove the filter, we have tabs. Hold with the tabs and simply slide in. The triple filter is with a charcoal filter to absorb kitchen, pet odor, and more. It is a filter that is washable. Simply rinse off with water and take out the pet hair that is on there. As you can see, we got some hair and particles on the filter. For additional information, check further online about the machine and its filter. Press firmly in, and when removing the filter, grab the tabs to remove. Honeycomb towards the inside. Placing back the cover is matching up the slot areas. Magnetic areas go here. The sticker is removable. 0 through 50, very good. 51 through 100, good. 101 through 50, moderate. 151 through 500 is bad. As we tilt the unit to show you the top and the control area and correctly show, we have an anion lock, a timer, a light reset, a mode and Wi-Fi, the speed of the fan, and the power, the indicator, and a sensor, and information on how to use on top, and the blow area and the filter area on both sides. In our demonstration, we are lifting. The unit is moderate weight and fits in tight quarters. As the unit is on, it is a 23 level, very quiet. Choosing the fan speed. The fan is already in the on position. Showing the fan is in the on position. We'll turn the fan speed up. And back down to 1. Our air quality is in the very good zone. We are choosing on the top the Anion Auto. We have a timer of 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour on the next. We have a light that turns off the light and on the light. And we have a reset by. We have a mode of Wi-Fi and auto. We need to set up the Wi-Fi. We have a fan speed of 1, 2, 3, and auto. All 3 lights are on. As the auto is the loudest level of the unit. And back to number 1. Open up the Tuya application located on page 11. The application located here. Over at the machine in the on position, mode Wi-Fi. Long press. Hold till the lights start to blink. Once they start to blink, on the phone, hit the plus. Add device. T555 air purifier. Click. Choose the Wi-Fi to connect. As the unit updates, we get a check. Done. We have additional options on the T55 air purifier. We have 9 as well as on the application. We have 3 dots that opens up to the device information. We are on auto 16 Celsius. We have a time of the unit and the speed level. We can turn off and on the unit and change the modes of the unit from auto, manual, sleep. We have a wind speed of level 1 through 4. We have a settings mode that Anion can be turned on, child lock, turn on and off the light, and countdown. On the sides, we have 2 icons. They are non-touchable on there. We have an X that brings to the main screen. In order to get back to the T555, hit on the T555. We hit the 3 dashes, tap to run automated mode. Check device network, message notification, share the device, and create a group. Rename the device. More than one device, put a room number. The device could be ran remotely through the smartphone through Wi-Fi of your router. We have here is the HEPA filter, remote control, no other remotes for the unit. The manual on and off by turning on and off or opening up the phone and shutting down the whole machine via the phone. Transferring the air purifier with the handle on the back, the cord out, and lifting up. On the bottom, we have leg feet. They are hard plastic lead feet. The air purifier, slim, narrow, fits in areas that doesn't take up space. Quiet with the sleep mode, with the lights on and off for less disturbance. With the air blowing through the top and taking in the dust through the sides. Remote application driven, so you could change everything you want by turning off and on. With air purification on blackouts, portable devices can be used to run the unit. When the unit is tilted, it will stay in the on position. So cleaning out your filter is simply by washing, allowing to dry, cleaning, and placing in either way doesn't make a difference. Your unit. I hope you enjoy your pet purifier, dust, particles, and more. Not just for pets, 3,000 square foot, Trucozie 55-watt air purification, cleaning, app-driven, and more. Check out the product, see if it's right for you, and thank you for viewing.